Okay.
Yep. So you're saying your left side is a little bit higher?
Yeah. This one is higher, this one is lower.
Yeah, I can see that a little bit. Yep. Okay. All right. If you can put the camera on the ground level, I want to check your heel and ankle complex.
Okay. Let's see. Okay.
The other way. On the back. Yep. Okay, take one step forward.
With both legs?
Yeah, take one step forward. I want to see. Okay. All right. And if you can, okay, so I see a little bit of pronation that's happening. So what I noticed is that, yeah, you have a weaker connection on your right side more
Yeah.
than the left. And also I noticed that your foot and ankle complex is pronating.
Yeah.
And you have laxity in your joints in the ankle.
Mm-hmm.
So based on these assessment, what I can tell you is what we do could potentially be a solution for you.
Okay.
Because the hyperarch mechanism actually will realign your ankle joint. So your ankle is like this right now.
Yeah.
So when you actually able to change the fascial connection, it's going to align it like this.
Mm-hmm.
And because the fascia has three properties, one of them is plasticity. Once we change the fascial plasticity, we're able to basically just like a Play-Doh, right?
Mm-hmm.
We soften it first, and then we harden it. So
So
once,
it's molded, right?
right, so we can mold it to the shape that we want through training, through fascial tensioning. That's why I say it could be a solution for you. And if that happens, that will push your leg higher. Then your hip, right, will be like this. So that's what I see.
Because if I'm doing this, if I'm training like this, squats or something like this, it's a matter of time till something,
Yeah,
it's like
you cannot squat. No, you squat, you're gonna injure yourself more because
yeah,
you're going to exaggerate the imbalance for sure.
exactly, because I see a lot of athletes, they can train 2 or 3 times a day and have nothing. And I know they have something that other people don't. I try to research, try to reverse engineer, but I think this is the missing piece to the puzzle.
Good. How are you guys?
I'm doing well, man. Doing well. Surviving in the heat.
Me too. Yeah.
It's good. So this is our 12th session. I want to see how you're doing. How do you? I mean, the numbers look good. The adhesions have dropped a lot since the beginning.
For sure.
Let me see the back of your foot again, and I want to see how your hip is doing.
Okay, back of my back, right?
The back of the heel, the heel. That's where we noticed the problem.
Yeah.
When we first started.
Okay.
Okay, take a step forward so we can see more. Yeah, move to the right a little bit. Okay, yeah, take a step forward again. Yeah, move your, yeah, so the alignment is really good now.
Yeah.
There's no collapse.
Yeah.
And this is really good. Let's go up to the hip level. Just make sure the hip is good.
Yep. Try. Okay.
Yep, move forward a little bit more. Yep, they're even.
Yep. Before it was like that, right?
Yeah, before it was like that.
Yeah. And now when I put tension, it's like.
Yeah, right now this is in your neutral position, right?
Yeah, this is my neutral. Yeah.
Yeah, they're even now.
Perfect.
Very good, man. Good progress.
Yeah.
Great work, both of you.
Let's go. Great work,
Yeah,
Aias.
I mean, like only in what, 12 weeks?
Yeah. Talk about the problem, this problem you had. How long did you have it before coming to us?
Oh, the problem, I had it for like since 2017.
So 4 years.
Yeah.
So
Queen. Yeah.
basically your 1 foot was, the arc was collapsed, was lower than the other foot, right?
Exactly. My right foot.
Your right foot was, and then because of that, your hip was actually lower.
Yes, it was lower, and I had like, it was like this, and I had kind of a flat feet almost, even on the left side, well, more on the right, obviously, because of the, it was like this.
Mhm.
And yeah, so before I went to the chiropractor, as I told you, the first session, he told me like, this is can be fixed. And yeah, you had to address it since, you know, you was a kid, but like, since you were a kid. And he told me you can't, you know, reverse flat feet, or like even my hips, because I was not born like that, you know. If it was not like that at birth. So yeah, it was. But I was researching, and then I found you guys and start working.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. This looks very good. From the back, it looks way stronger than the first week. I mean, I think I have a picture of the first week.
Yeah, it was that. Yes, I mean, I feel it. It's. I didn't do any scans or anything, but it shows on the pitch. It shows when I train, because before I used to get a lot of you know, soreness and pain in my hips after each football session, and I tried to stretch, and it didn't work. It was, I always had an issue with my hips, and also it was transitioning to the quads and sometimes hamstrings. And I remember you told me as well, like, I don't know how you're playing like this, because
Yeah, because one side was lower.
it's like really like this. It was weird for me, but like I yeah, I tried to fix it, and now it's fixed. And this is
Yeah.
only the beginning. Like 12 weeks. I'm not gonna stop right here. I'm gonna keep going, and we'll see where I'm gonna be.